got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric wavy when I turn it on. Off from my city, off from my home. We're flying up, no ceiling when we in our zone. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body.
Good morning, everyone. This is Dennis from Pips Matter, and I'm sitting here with Adam.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Dennis.
Good morning, Adam. And we're gonna go over everything you need to know before you start trading today. So this is obviously the Pips Matter market analysis for November 14th, 2016. Me and Adam are talking straight from our head offices in Limassol, Cyprus, and Adam is gonna tell you about the latest news.
Thank you, Dennis. Well, today's latest news is that traders stampede out of emerging markets, as we can clearly see after what happened last week.
With Trump, yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Right.
Also, Dow 30 is at an all-time high, which is, well, something very important to remark.
Correct. Well, you know what? You originally came inside my office and gave me a very interesting trade on the DAX, which we're going to talk about pretty soon. But what could be happening right now is all indices heading much higher, creating new highs before that big drop that's coming. But sorry to interrupt you, continue.
Probably you are totally right. And the last one is that he tells Trump Corporation only choice for US-China ties. So basically we are going to watch this week very closely what's going to happen on the markets.
Great. And the most important thing is we're prepared, and that means we're not going to fail.
Yes, we are.
Okay, so trending in the markets is obviously the markets will be looking at the Trump's administration, how they're going to process everything, how they're going to go in. What you missed, and I'm just going to talk about Trump very quickly, is that Trump said that he's going to deport about 3 million immigrants.
Wow, that's a lot.
so Mexican peso could have some trouble. So Trump is very unstable as a person as well. He's obviously really good at what he does. Obviously, he's a billionaire and he's got a gold-plated elevator in his house, but he talks a lot. He talks a lot, and that's a very big problem. So let's head into the fundamental side pretty soon. Just give us a few moments. We're gonna put you a quick song, and we're gonna come right back. Okay, so we're back. Adam, go over what we expect on the fundamental side today.
Okay, well, today there is nothing much to expect, only the Draghi speech as of 3 GMT today, where it will be important to follow because there is a high chance that he will probably try to calm the euro markets down. Regarding the UK area, there's pretty much nothing. We just concentrate on the technical side of trading. And what we will look as well is that 8:20 p.m. in the US there will be a speech as well from the FOMC, so we want to watch it closely.
That's very good, very good. Okay, we had the Chinese industrial production at around 2 a.m. Central European time. It actually came out exactly the same as previous, but 0.1% lower than consensus, so basically than what market was expecting. Before we head on over to anything else, I just want to go over the social media real quick. This is what we have. We have Facebook, we have Twitter, and we have LinkedIn. You can share our posts here and we'll greatly appreciate it. But if you want to stay in the loop for all of this kind of information, basically market analysis and pretty much everything else, well then simply head over to Facebook, type in Pips Matter, you'll find us right there, click a like, and then head over to Twitter if you have an account, same thing, for Pips Matter, and then follow us. So Adam's going to go over the trades pretty quick. So on the website we have just two. In this video you're going to have more. So Adam's going to give you these two, so GBP USD, gold, and then we're going to move over to other things such as DAX and some other trades.
Yeah, exactly.
I'll leave you guys with Adam, and Adam is pretty prepared to give you everything you need to know.
Okay, so thank you for the time, Dennis. So let's check the trades of the day. First of all, there is GBP USD. As you can see, it's a 1 hour chart and we see the pair heading lower today as there is a head and shoulders are about to happen. We have attached the picture to our daily analysis on our website. So if you watch closely, you can see the first shoulder, the head and the other shoulder, and the candles are pretty going down. So if you're an aggressive trader, then you can already be in the trade in a short position. If you're a more conservative trader, you can wait for another confirmational candle, a bearish candle from the GBP USD. Now let's check the gold. Well, we saw the gold, what happened with this one. So judging by the daily market, it is about to reach the 1200 area as it tumbled in the last pretty much 4 or 5 days, because judging what happened. So that's all what we can expect from the markets right now.
Okay, so let's go over DAX, oil, and what else? That's it?
DAX and oil.
DAX and oil. Okay, so DAX and oil. Very quick. We're just gonna draw a small pattern over here. Very nice breakout, as you can see, and Adam's gonna give you pretty much everything else. You can see a flag pattern, you can see a triangle. Go, Adam.
So, well, you basically said what I wanted to say. As you can see on a 1 hour chart on DAX that there was a triangle formulating, and it's like a continuation upwards, as you can see on...
But you found this trade. Where did you see it first?
Yeah, first on 1 hour chart, because I was checking through trades, possible trades as of today, and this was the first, as one of my favorite indices is DAX, so I just checked it quickly. Checked the 1 hour chart, and the 4 hour chart also shows this one, so I'm pretty sure that something's gonna happen.
Okay, and if we go to the daily chart, where do you see this pair going? Do you see a double top perhaps in the near future over here?
Well, over there, yeah, sure, we can see this one.
Okay.
As soon as we reach it.
And let's go over to oil. What do you see with oil?
Well, oil is heading down, so in my opinion, you can see this area, the 43 area. I think that there will be a rebound from this point, but you know, nothing is certain, so we have to expect everything, upside and downsides as well.
Well, it's the 25% area pretty much of the top here. Oh, there you go. So yeah, 43 area is 25% of the top and the bottom. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting to see what's gonna happen. Okay, well that's pretty much it, yeah?
Yes, it is.
Okay, awesome. Everyone, thank you for watching.
Thank you for your time.
Me and Adam are gonna have an awesome day. See you in the forums, take on the free trial, and seize your day.
Bye guys.